Hello guys, and welcome to another wonderful tutorial in this channel. And of course, in this channel and this video, I'm going to be looking at biology. And because of the importance of this class, I'm going to be looking at the syllabus of JAMB Biology, right? So the syllabus system is very important in any examination. The importance, in fact, cannot be overestimated. You need to have the syllabus so that you have a guide, have a direction on the side or on the topics you should study to prepare adequately for your exam. Some people read astray in the exam because they do not have the syllabus system. So I'm going to treat the syllabus system, and consequently you are going to use it to study for your exam, right? So this video tutorial is sponsored by O3 Schools JAMB app. O3 School JAMB app is by far the best CBT practice app available. It's available for download on Play Store, and of course for PC. For PC, simply go to o3schools.com/JAMB application. So this is for PC. Once you go to that link, the app will download automatically on your system, and of course you'll be able to see everything clearly, exactly the way you're going to see on your JAMB exam day. So wonderful features. Why should you download this app? It has all the past questions for all subjects in one, right? It has wonderful features such as mock exam feature. You can set a mock exam for yourself, set your time, right? Then you can participate in our UTME challenge that we do every weekend to test how prepared our students are for the forthcoming examination. There's also a wonderful feature called the question search feature, where you can look for questions under every topic and answer to be more confident in that particular topic. So it's not an app you should joke with. Last year we recorded a lot of good scores, and in biology especially, people saw exact same questions being repeated, same question during the course of their exam. So you do not need to play with this. I don't sleep on the app. The activation of the app is not free. Of course, there's a free version. The free version will allow you to answer just 5 questions, and after you are done with that 5 questions, you'll be told to activate, right? So the activation is just 2,500 naira only. So make payment to the account number on the app. Click activate on the app upon downloading, then go to buy activation key at the top. You will see the payment options, then choose any one that you like, and then of course you'll be able to join us on this cruise. So quickly, let's look at the syllabus for biology, so to avoid wastage of time. Syllabus for biology. The syllabus is not actually too wide or too big, so I'm going to spend less than 10 minutes talking about this syllabus. All right, so the first topic we consider in biology is living organisms. And then of course the second topic is evolution. And of course in evolution we're going to look at evolution among the following, such as Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, Plantae, that is plants, right? Then Animalia, and then under Animalia look at invertebrates, and vertebrates look at multicellular animals, and so on and so forth. So in the third topic, we are going to be considering structural / functional and behavioral adaptation of organisms, and behavioral adaptation of organisms. Then in the fourth topic, we're going to be looking at nutrition. We're going to be looking at nutrition. Then number 5, we're going to be looking at transport. Then of course under transport, looking for need for transportation, materials for transportation, channels for transportation, and so on and so forth. So then number 6, we look at respiration. Then number 6. Then number 7, they are going to look at excretion. Then number 8, I'm going to look at support and movement. Then number 9, we're going to looking at reproduction. This is a very interesting topic, and of course one of the topics that students enjoy most in class, right? So reproduction It's very interactive. We'll look at asexual and sexual reproduction. They look at reproduction in mammals. So, of course, the 10th topic is growth. Then 11th topic is coordination and control. Then number 12, we look at of course, look at the factors affecting the distribution of organisms. Factors affecting the distribution of organisms. Then number 13, of course, look at the symbiotic interaction of plants and animals. Symbiotic interactions of plants and animals. Then number 14, we look at natural habitats. Natural habitats. Then number 15, we look at local Nigerian biomes. Local, that is Nigerian biomes. Of course, then in the 16th topic now, we are looking at the ecology of population. Ecology of populations. Of course, then number 17, look at soil. Then number 18, look at humans and environment. Humans and environment. Right? Then number the 19th topic is variation in population. 19, variation in population. Then number 20, look about heredity. Then of course, then the 21st topic is theories of evolution. While the 22nd topic is evidence of evolution. So you can see the topics are very, very few, just 22 topics in all. But of course, the syllabus system is divided basically, I think, into 4. The first one is variety of organisms, right? Then, of course, the second one is form and function, where the internal structure of plants begins from, right? Variation of form and structures. Then, of course, we have another division here in the syllabus. We have ecology. Of course, we have factors affecting the coordination of organisms. Ecology, that's where ecology begins from. Then, of course, I think I should just I'll break them down for you so that you can see them. The first one, this is ecology from here. Ecology begins from here, right? This is a breakdown of the syllabus. Then, of course, the first part is variety of organisms. Variety of organisms, right? So the second part was form and functions. Form and functions. Before we have nutrition, where is it? Okay, yeah. So we have form and function. Form and functions. All right, so after form and functions, then we have another breakdown, where is it now? We have heredity and variations. We started from population, heredity and variation. Where is it? Variation in population, right? Okay, heredity and variation. Here is what? Heredity and variation. So this is the 4 parts the JAMB syllabus is divided into, right? So of course, of course, they said the 5th part, which is evolution. After heredity and variation, we now have evolution. The 5th part. So the first part is the variety of organisms, where we talk about living organisms, evolution, structural, functional, and behavioral adaptation of organisms. Then we talk about form and functions, talk about nutrition, transport, talk about respiration, excretion, support and movement, reproduction, growth, coordination, and control. Then we talk about ecology, our environment, right? We'll talk about factors affecting the distribution of organisms, symbiotic interactions of plants and animals, natural habitats, local, that is Nigerian biomes, talk about the ecology of population, soil. Then the last one, humans and environment, right? So of course, the fourth part is heredity and variation. We'll talk about variation in population, talk about heredity. And of course, the last part is evolution. We'll talk about theories of evolution and evidence of evolution. So please do not forget to download the O3 Schools JAMB app. You want to have a very good score in biology, O3 School JAMB app. Of course, you want to do well generally in your exam, download this app from Play Store. Go to Play Store, download the app, and activate it also to get the full benefit of the app. All right, so we're going to see a lot of videos on biology also to also aid your study from this channel. So all right, I'll end the class here, but of course I promise to see you in the next class. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like and share and comment under or below this video. Thanks for watching once again. I'll see you in the next class.